Hi guys, welcome back. So today we're taking a look at the 3 ETFs listed in US. Before I begin, remember take a second to give the video a like and subscribe as you greatly help our channel. Without further ado, let's first start off with SPY. So as you can see, SPY from its recent low of around 348 and it hit a high of 410. We saw a pullback all the way towards its 50% Fibonacci support level at around 379 levels. At this level, you can clearly see that buyers were actually stepping in. At the same time, you can see that on the way down, the cloud would act as a support, while on the way up, the cloud acts as a resistance. And true enough, the cloud did act as a support on the way down. So now we are looking towards a rebound, and from a recent low of 374 to a high of 410. We have cleared this 61.8% at 396.84. So the next target will be just slightly above 400. At around 402.85. In the event that we can clear it, then it's likely for us to retest the highs of 410.5. That said, two supports to watch. We're looking at the first support at 388. So this is the red baseline, while the blue conversion line is just slightly below at around 388, and this one is red baseline is around 392. So it's 388 and 392. These two are critical supports that we have to hold. So let's move on to QQQ. So for QQQ, it's a pretty more bearish. You can see that we actually hit the recent low and we only rebounded ever since. So on the way up, the cloud should act as a resistance and it's currently looking good for now. The green candles are appearing. But as you can see, this red baseline is still in the way. So from a recent low of 259 to a recent high of 396, we are currently just above this 50% at 278. So the next two resistance to watch would be 282 and 289. So if we manage to clear these two, then it's likely for us to retest the highs of 296, 297 levels. As for the support to watch, the first support will be this red baseline at around 278 and this blue conversion line at around 270 at the psychological support level. So lastly, let's take a look at the Dow Jones average ETF. So it's clearly more bullish. You can see that from a recent low of 286 and it hit a high of 348.2 before a pullback. So we are looking at this first pullback and you can see that it's well supported by this 61.8%. It hit a low of around 325 levels. At the same time, you can see that this cloud acted as a pretty strong support and we hit the cloud support before rebounding back up. So looking at the resistance on the way up, you can see that we already cleared the 61.8%, even stronger than both the QQQ and the SPY ETFs. So we are currently at the 78.6% rather. So this resistance is at 343, so it's around the levels that we closed on Friday itself. If we can clear it with good volume, it's likely for us to retest the highs or even potentially breaking out of this 348.22. That's it. Two supports to watch. We're looking at the first support at this red baseline at around 336 levels, and the second support is just slightly below it at around 335 levels. So hopefully we do see a continuation of momentum buying next week. And if that is possible, then it's likely for us to retest the recent highs for all three indices. So if there's any changes, I'll give you guys an update. Thanks for stopping by. Till we meet again. Appreciate the manipulation.